If you want to add a WhatsApp chat button to your Squarespace website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to create a clickable WhatsApp button so visitors can message you instantly. This is a great way to improve customer support, increase leads, and make your site easier to contact. And best of all, you can do it right inside Squarespace without needing any complicated code. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy websites tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the page you want to modify. Once you're on the page, click Edit so you can start making changes. Now, choose the area where you want the WhatsApp button to appear. This could be on your homepage, contact page, or even a landing page where you want people to take action quickly. Next, click Add Block and then select Button from the available block options. Squarespace will place a new button on your page, and this is what we're going to turn into a WhatsApp chat link. After the button appears, double-click it to open the settings panel. Here you'll see a few important options. In the text field, change the label to something clear and action-oriented. For example, you can use chat on WhatsApp, message us, or contact us on WhatsApp. A strong button label helps visitors understand exactly what happens when they click it. Then move to the link field. Click the settings gear next to the link option, and this is where you'll add your WhatsApp URL. Paste your custom https WAME/link into the URL box. Make sure your link is formatted correctly so it opens the right WhatsApp chat destination. If you want users to stay on your site while opening the chat in a separate tab or window, check the option to open in new window. This is usually a smart choice because it gives people a smoother browsing experience and keeps your page accessible. Once everything looks good, take a moment to review the button text and link one more time. It's always worth double-checking the URL before publishing because even a small mistake can stop the WhatsApp chat button from working properly. When you're happy with the setup, click Save in the top left corner of the screen to publish the changes live. As soon as you save, your WhatsApp chat button will be active on your Squarespace page and visitors will be able to tap it and start a conversation with you instantly. This is one of the easiest ways to make your website more interactive and more business-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Squarespace tips, website hacks, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.